Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beam and Toyota. Wanted to show you guys something that's pretty easy to do, but you might need to do it on your vehicle. So the software update on the newer Toyotas, very easy to get into, very easy to check for it, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. I know I have an update available. I'm going to hit this settings down here, right? And I'm going to scroll down, right, all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see software update, right? Once you see the software update, it says updates available, right? And now it's showing new version available. Hit OK, right? Now it's going to tell you something else. It'll ensure well ventilated conditions while software updates in progress. Vehicle screen and audio will be in op. Turn the engine off and then on to resume the screen usage. And then it says it utilizes the following. It'll tell you what the update's fixing. So now my version, if I go into that little version list, it tells it it's 1040. This one's 1050. So it's coming up. It says download times may vary by connections. And then it tells you where to go for the US, for Puerto Rico, and then connected services. There's Canada and all the Canada stuff. But you're going to hit accept right here. All right. You know that you can't use your radio screen or anything while it's working on the update, but it's going to download that update. It said, now it says navigation, so it's updating the system, right? But very easy to check if you have an update. Once you go to that update screen, it will search and see if there's an update for you. If there is an update, it'll give you the ability to install it. I do suggest, and this is just me, but I suggest being in a spot where you're stopped, just in case you need to use something like navigation or a phone call or something like that that you want to use. It's always better to be stopped when you do an update, just for that reason. The only time that I don't do that is when I'm doing a like a revert to factory settings when somebody trades in their vehicle. That's just, I do that and then I drive it around back, right? But they're pretty easy. That's how you do your software update on a Toyota. And that is on the new system. New Highlanders have it, RAV4s have it, the Tundra, obviously, the Sequoias. I mean, pretty much everything's going to get this new system. So that's how you check for updates. That's how you install them. Once it's done, it's going to give me an OK. It'll tell me that it's done, and it'll give me back everything. I'll have to shut the vehicle off, turn it back on. It's just rebooting the computer. Very easy to do, of course, but just let it do its thing. Find out how long it takes. There you go. Steve Welch, Beam and Toyota. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.